Hi friends, this is Tej and you're watching Xofficial Tech. Yesterday I unlocked a bootloader of my Redmi Note 9 Pro for the first time and installed custom recoveries in my device. And later, when I try to enter it to TRRP, this message pops up in the display saying that the system has been destroyed. I don't know what it is, so I googled and found an XDA thread saying that to install VB Meta and a custom recovery. So I went on it and got failed. Later, I got to know that my device is soft bricked. So let's step forward to fix this error. So coming into the processor, firstly install Mi Flash tool in your PC and extract the fastboot ROM file, and you'll get some stuff in the file after extraction. Here we are using fastboot ROM because fastboot ROM has to be installed via fastboot mode. When they talk about recovery ROM, it has to be downloaded and to be installed via custom recoveries. So here we are using fastboot ROM. Now open Mi Flash tool and find and select the folder which you have extracted, and connect your device by putting it into the fastboot mode by clicking volume down button and power button simultaneously, and connect it using a USB cable to the PC. Tap on refresh. As you can see here, the device has been connected successfully. If you look at the bottom of the Mi Unlock tool, there are three options named Clean All and Lock, Save User Data. If you tap on Clean All and Lock, it will lock your bootloader of your phone. I am choosing Clean All because I don't want to lock my bootloader. And everything is fine. Now click on Flash. If you get this error, keep watching this video. I'll be fixing this right now. To fix this error, rename the folder with the name without spaces, like this, and enter it to this. And as you can see, this is the ROM file. Now copy. Now select all and copy this address and open it, select all and paste it here, and this will be fine. Now tap on Flash and your device will boot in a few minutes. Finally, my phone is booting up. Ta-da! If you like this video, give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Signing off.